They said they can't hear me on social media. Can y'all hear me now on there? On YouTube? Can somebody check on YouTube, see if y'all can hear me? It's saying that sound came through. Okay, it's because I was on Zoom, probably. Tesla's at 418. All right, let's see what we got shaking here. That orange candle, that's a actual sell signal. Until this, well, the volume has broken over the 7 moving average here. London session is bearish on Tesla. That is a bearish sign. We just got a bearish. Turn the sessions back on. I like that indicator, bro. That thing is sweet. Nvidia is, of course, bearish in the Tokyo market. All right, so I guess y'all can hear me now. We just got a bearish cross in market net flow. We just got a bearish cross in market net flow. So there's a bearish cross on market net flow right now. We're back in the opening range. Also, too, guys, if you have the red E market structure, if you go under inputs where it says opening range start time, you can customize it to your time zone. So right now I have it 8:30. I'm on Central Standard Time. Eastern, of course, would be 9:30. This helps me see things a lot more clearly. So I can change it to 9:30 right now. Yeah, but I'm going to keep it up 8:30. That's my spot. Also, I'm on this 10-minute time frame for SPY. I got a baby blue candle right now. And I think that little dip was just a temporary pullback.
It's the same as yesterday.
My ready market structure never signaled a sell signal alert. So I just averaged down. Look, there's a buy coming in now. Let's go. Let's go. I'm with it. That volume delta is very bullish on SPY. So I'm looking for a potential gap fill to 682.02 before the end of the day on SPY. We want to break above this 679.57. That's going to be the sign that that gap gets filled.
We just got a bullish cross on your indicator with the gap. What are the percentages?
On my indicator?
Yeah, market structure.
Let's see if I can find an example.
We just got a bullish cross in market net flow.
You know, when I coded it, I didn't actually ask for it to tell me the percentages of the gap. I think it may be factor in the distance. I'm not entirely sure, but when I just asked it to code in gaps, so that way I wouldn't have to constantly turn on the indicator gaps and look at a separate time frame.
Okay. I need Broadcom to go ahead and just take off.
Right, that's how I feel about J&J. It's picking back up right now. I'm still in those calls for 12-12. I'm about to go. I had a little lotto play on SPY. I'm gonna take profits on that.
Anybody in
SPX? We can look at it though. VIX is just still. I need this sell signal to manifest. Let's look at SPX for you. All right, cool. SPX has an ugly gap down, y'all. Jesus. So Right now, we're actually in that gap. It feels at 67, 65 and 92 cents. I'm turning on alerts now for buy and sell signals for SPX Force. It just gave us a buy. So if you're on SPX, you need a break honestly above $6,796.59. Volume delta is 55% bullish, which is great. Nvidia just needs to catch up and push above that 180.73 again. I think we'll run. Also, just a quick look at VIX. We've got to get back below pre-market low right here around 1792. We do have a sell signal, but this wick is showing the well, I say bears. It's saying it's trying to come down, but as dominance to the upside right now, looking at the candle body structure. And to this day, I still wish you could see volume on VIX. That would just like be a complete game changer. Buy has to have a candle close above 677.80. We're about to break it in a second.
It looks like you want to go down this.
Man, I want to take a look over here at the red E real quick and let that thing sit. VIX is consolidated, man. It's right above that 50 EMA on the 2-minute. And it's so neutral right now. Oh, beautiful, Chew. I see you, bro. I see you, Marcus. Mr. Marcus. Light plays always cook. Yep, they do. Nice. We're about to push, y'all. There's that buy signal came in again. Ready market structure. Hadn't seen a sell one come in yet, even on these pullbacks. That's crazy. We give God all the glory for that, man.
That's what made me go to that 78-minute. Once I seen the volume tick up on accumulation and the blue candles, I'm like, we're trying to run.
Yeah.
Unless something drastic happens.
VIX is doing that thing that I like, and I see all the time where, well, I see it in actual tickers where we kind of run up, get a little upside, almost like a upside down cup and handle. Y'all, SPY about to run. We're going to fill that gap today, y'all. We're going to fill that gap. I'm going to move my VIX back over to my other screen because, yeah, this ain't, I need to be able to see it. Oh, I'm still in that the futures trade too. I just got a little macro on MES. It's down about $12. Nice green candle. I'm actually trading on too slow of a time frame here. Got my boy Jack's indicator up.
Like above pre-market high. You pick a hold.
Yeah, as long as we're above that pre-market high, I think we're gonna push. SPX just got a buy signal. Minty, you and SPX right now?
Yes.
What you end up getting?
I'm in there too.
Now, Future's cooking right now.
68.25 one day.
Not one of these. Okay.
I'm in XPS too.
Oh, y'all rocking and rolling.
Now, what is the difference between trading SPY and SPX other than the price of the contracts?
Volatility. That's always a big thing.
Okay.
Volatility, price action, movement. Oh, Google's on the move.
So it actually pays out
It's
more
on the
than
downside.
SPY?
Oh, yes, most definitely.
Okay. A friend asking me about it, and I'm like, I've never traded SPX. I'm like, I can't explain to you why. Right? I was telling him about the group, and we was talking about SPY, and I couldn't give him and he's like, it don't really make sense. He's like, it's the same thing.
Oh, Google's very bearish right now, guys. Y'all be careful if you're in Google. If it loses at 318.12, it's bad, real bad. A little bit of support right now at 318.82. 66% bullish on the shorter time frames, but it's telling me to short it. This could be a liquidity grab, or even that the uptrend could have been liquidity. I think Google's about to come down, man. That's going to bring the market down. So if you go up on anything, not financial advice, you might want to secure the bag. In all honesty. VIX at 1792 again, below pre-market low. Come on, get back in that gap. There's Nvidia back at 180. I really hope and pray and Torbino's on the live. I'll just drop this in here in the chat for him real quick. I got you. Give me a few seconds, fam. We back in that gap on SPY. We running, man. They're trying to do a theta burn right now. No, we're not even there. We need 678.41 is what we need.
That's what they're really trying to push to the downside.
Yeah, Google is getting smoked right here, man. Who's in Google? All right, somebody asked me to look at something. I asked you to give me a second. Who is that?
The Qs.
Qs. Okay. We'll use this coin chart. VIX is back at $18. Man, the chop is so real, man. But everything's consolidated. So right now in this 10-minute, we're still holding above the bottom of the open range. You need Qs to actually break and hold above 612.36. Right now, this is a weak sell signal. We need to actually look at the heat map. Let's see, Stocks heat map. Kind of see what's shaking over here. Apple's a little bit flat, negatively flat. Meta's negative but flat. But Google is getting rocked, and that's hurting the Qs. Amazon is trying to push. So if we could see Apple, Amazon pick up, I think Nvidia, Microsoft, and Broadcom and Oracle are having a pretty nice impact to the upside for the Qs to get us back above that 612. But right now, it's looking pretty daggone bearish short term. Nvidia just fell down to 179.18. The volume is mad choppy right here. It's below the moving average to the downside. So I don't think it's going to go anywhere too fast just yet. But if it gets over that 612.36, expect to run possibly to retest. This trend line is 613. It might reject there. Let's go to the 78-minute. So much liquidity here. 78-minute looks really bearish on the Qs. 60% sell. Sell volume is broken over the moving average. So just like I said, be careful. Don't be afraid to take your money. Get in, get out. Not financial advice, of course.
Just open some calls here.
On the Qs?
Yeah, on the Qs, right off of this level at 611.50-ish.
Okay.
So we're going to see. Let me see, though. Yeah, the EMAs aren't quite pointing straight down yet. So this is a risky trade.
Yeah.
Real risky, though, because it looks like we're trying to flip down. But, yeah, I'm not.
And SPY is doing the same thing. Let me see. VIX is just choppy, bro. Super choppy. I'm seeing the same thing over and over and again. $18, $17.90, $18, $17.90.
Probably gonna go sideways till 11.
Yeah, let me see. Let me turn that sessions indicator on. Have y'all played with that indicator yet? The sessions.
No, I just saw it last night, but I haven't messed with it.
That thing is fire. Just this little box alone is fire, huh?
Is another one of yours?
No, I didn't create this one.
Oh, okay.
No. If anything I create, I put red E before it.
Okay. I didn't even really look at it. I just saw it was a new indicator.
Yo, that thing is fire. I saw it on so I'm gonna show you. I'll show you guys how I find new stuff. Right now we cooking, so
Coach Bree just went in the IWM puts.
She bought IWM 245 put 40 cents. Looking for a quick scalp, 20% or so. Okay.
She thinks it's going to be choppy now. She's just looking for a scalp.
Oh, nice. That's dope. Let's go.
That is a bullish sign.
I think we're about to push again.
Me too. I think the only reason we rejected is because we just came back to, if y'all remember where NVIDIA earnings status, that's where the market was when we rejected. We just rejected right at that. So a lot of people just trying to get out of positions at break even from being scared, being down so long.
Yeah.
Once we finish through that selling, I think we're going to push.
Net premiums for market puts just got negative for the day. That is a bullish sign.
We need VIX at like 17 bucks.
Negative for the day. That is a bullish sign.
Yeah, I got the Qs going to 615.
Google's at 318. That was the bad level. That's below pre-market low. That's what's dragging stuff down.
They're going to 315. They break this. The next low is 317. What? 317.73.
Yeah, I was about to say about 317.39, 317.59 ish. Let's look at that 16 minute.
everything.
You got a red candle on the ready market structure for Google.
Yeah. And on the 78, it don't look good either.
Market is relying on all the other larger market cap tickers to keep it up.
Well, they might be tired.
Right.
Google didn't do this job for like the last couple of days.
Google been cooking. You know, folks like to get in stuff before it's after it's already ran.
Yep.
Marina said, look at Meta. So y'all look, I know y'all said QQQ, y'all have active plays. Does anybody have an active play on Tesla right now? Okay.
I have a put on Tesla.
Okay. I can circle back later for you.
That was a good call. That's what puts around 9:45 cooking right now.
I do like this pattern that Meta has on the 16 minute, but everything is super chop right now. So it's a bad entry point. 10 minute has 71.9% bearish momentum, but we got a bullish trend line. As long as we maintain that, I think we could push to maybe like 638.40. That'll be a big break for Meta and possibly a reject at 639. But if we lose 635 on Meta, it's lights out.
And Japanese yen it's actually testing a trend line, which it's in a downtrend, but it's testing the top of the trend line right now. If it breaks out, then it's going to run. And it's going to cause a pullback.
Y'all be watching for a break of structure to the upside on J&J for swing trades. It tested that 207.62 twice already. I think the next time it happens, we push to about 207.86. There's Meta. Fail. It's got a higher high, but it's bearish. What's up, Jack?
Man, not much, man. Over here shorting ZS right now. Made a quick little 1400, hop back in.
Oh yeah, you cooking?
Yeah, you know we cooking right now. And I'm shorting Google too. I'm in some Google puts right now. I think Google's going to come down a little bit lower.
Yeah, we just fell below my level.
I'm really expecting SPY to come down today. Honestly, I saw part that could possibly push up. I was expecting kind of a pop and drop today. I think that's what it's going to probably do.
Yeah,
I'm just watching right here. If we break above 678.47,
right on the money.
I think we'll push back up.
Yeah, it's a gap right there at 678.41. We wicked into it on a 78-minute time frame. And I mean, just looking at the Tokyo session is green, but it's really low. It's only up 0.3%, and it was up 0.10 earlier. So it's coming down. That's bringing most of the market sessions down at the moment. But I still got multiple buy signals on SPY right now.
No, I do too. I was just looking at last year as well, and also to these levels I had charted up already.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, I was surprised we gapped up, to be honest with you, but I definitely expect us to kind of slow down a little bit before filling the rest of that gap.
Yeah.
You know, just being wary. I'm not trying to go into crazy anything too heavy as far as calls right now. So I definitely could see us, slowing down here and then potentially filling the gap up later today. So it's just my two different theories.
I agree.
This one was a decent little move up. Anyway, regardless, I made a little bit of bread on that. Yeah, Google's coming down right now, 316.
Everything's just chopped, man. I mean, even VIX is in a range. Nvidia's been in a range. It's been between 179 and 180.
Yeah. I have not. I haven't had the best week, honestly, bro. Like, I have not, man, because I've been getting faked out by these past 2 days,
Mm-hmm.
we've had like around the same time every day for the past 2 days. The 15-minute candle has been like a super wiki, bro. Like it's crazy chop. We'll drop like $4 or $5 and then pop right back up, bro. It's been crazy.
But it's a short week, man. VIX is.
Premiums for market puts just got positive for the day.
What's the fear?
Yeah, I put my rule this week. My rule was kind of just a little light this week because of, any type of holiday we kind of try to go light usually. I
Right.
put my rule, man, and yeah.
Premiums for market puts just got positive for the day.
Right now, the healthcare sector overall on the spiders is the only thing that's pretty bearish, but everything else is positively flat intraday.
UNH was cooking earlier.
Let's look at the full heat map on the day. Google is getting smoked. Eli Lilly's getting smoked. But I mean, Lilly was so overbought, man. Like,
She had to cool off.
yeah. And Google right now is oversold. What is the 78-minute giving us?
She go. I don't really believe it till this candle closed. This candle needs to close over 611. What's that level? Let me see.
611.61. Well, I mean, I got 612.36. You're talking about the Qs, right?
Yeah.
That consolidation is ugly. It almost looks like a bear flag on the 10-minute.
It looks bad. It looks like the Bears want to step in, but I think it's a fake out.
Yeah.
611.43, I think, is my level. I can't really tell. I'm using Webull, but yeah, as long as this candle closes up here, we're good. Got to see.
Well, VIX is coming down right here.
Oh, they faked out really heavy
But look,
there.
I mean, look at this consolidation, bro. Like, seriously, this is. Let me move this thing out of the way.
It's a pretty clean trend line that's going to take us to 615 right now. If it holds 615 on the Qs incoming.
Oh, there we go.
Yep, we're approaching that low.
There we go.
If we can cross this and load it, we should keep pushing it.
Yeah, if we get VIX below 1768, I'm telling you, it's game on. I have yet to get a sell signal alert come out of the ready market structure for SPY. So I've been averaging down on those calls. Huh?
It was a nice little bear trap they did right there. This happens this way.
I mean, even looking at the volume only broke the moving average once for the sellers. But Google is getting smoked, man. I mean, if Google picks up, then I think the market will pick up. And it's barely getting back above that pre-market low, which is right around 318.12. We've got to have kind of we got red candles, so that's pretty daggone bearish.
And Meta is going to help push too if she can just get above this level at 635.40. She is like really afraid of this level.
It's crazy you say that because I had it mapped at 635.83.
Yeah, you might be right. I'm just eyeballing it.
Meta's actually looking kind of bearish on the 10-minute though.
Mm-hmm. Made it a lower high right there. If she don't come back and change that, then she's going down. She's going to drag everybody with her, but she's only 1.5 trillion. So
yeah. Google's back over a pre-market low.
Yeah, Google and NVIDIA start running together, we're going to get there.
Let me see what's going on over here in the chat on YouTube. Okay, nothing. What's going on the gram? Thank you for the birthday wishes. What's up, y'all?
Premiums for market puts just got positive.
I'm looking at Instagram. What's up? What's up? I see y'all over there. Y'all need to join the Red E. What's up, young Hefe?
Meta's above my level.
What's good, big bro?
Man, chilling, man.
For a second, she got a hold for 7 pounds.
It's staying in that range, bro.
They playing, man. They know what's up. They know what's up. They know that we know that they know.
Brad, the buyers are here though. They're definitely here.
Premiums for market puts just
Okay, we
got
can stay in this
positive
range a
for the
little
day.
longer.
That is a bearish sign.
Another 15-minute candle. Let's see.
The 2.49 million buys on volume for SPX. Minty ain't said nothing, so I think SPX might run because she ain't said I'm out yet. PayPal launches a Bitcoin raffle.
Hey, I'm over here praying.
Hey, praise the Lord for that, man. You know he with us.
I wanted to go make my potato salad and walk. Come on and see it.
Look, as long as you don't put no raisins in it, you good. It's a joke. It's a joke. Is that Garrett? He said, or apples.
Premiums for market puts just got negative for the day. That is a bullish sign.
What you call it? Listen, I know Bree might be punching the air right now.
Yeah, put out IWM puts.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I can't rock with those. Not right now.
Premiums for market puts
I think she deleted it. She deleted it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
She
she did.
probably got out as soon as they pushed. Because I got in calls right when she said that. I was like, I don't know.
Yeah, I was letting it until I scheduled you calls.
What?
Waiting on one more signal.
She said she trimmed it at 37%, so she took profits.
Yeah,
But
she might have got up in there. I could see how she could have because we did push to that level down there.
But then she hopped in Nvidia. It took a 50% hit on those.
Sheesh. That was today or yesterday?
That was yesterday.
Oh, that's yesterday? November.
I think that was yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah, because I was looking at that.
Oh well, I guess she did delete it. Yeah, we just broke 6,800 on SPX. Now that is a bullish sign.
We breaking out the wedge too on the Qs, y'all. So as long as this candle don't do no crazy stuff, we doing our big one.
Yeah.
It's cool. I need it because my website down for my other business, so I'm trying to make this money trading.
Oh, it's still mad chop city though. We need VIX below 1768. That's the level that I want to see broken. But as long as we got out of that consolidation zone up here, like I'm not as concerned. The 1768 was a key level of support.
I'm up like 10% of my calls. Nothing too crazy.
Oh, that's beautiful, bro. I want VIX at 1749.
Yeah, I'm in some 612s, but honestly, I wish I got some 611s. They would be doing real good right now.
Yeah.
I might add to it. I don't want to get too crazy.
J is struggling.
Just got positive for the day. That is a bearish sign.
Come on, Nvidia, get back over there 180. Stop playing.
Net premiums for market puts just got positive for the day. That is a bearish sign.
Send some emails.
I don't know if we can get the TP4, but it's 681.80 if we break this.
What you looking at?
10-minute
Net
SPY.
premiums for market puts got positive for the day.
Bro, I'm looking for SPY to get to 682.02 before the day is over with. Fill the gap.
Please make my day then.
Okay. We're almost there. Need to close above.
You said 60.
Y'all, a quick update on my futures trade. I'll drop that on the screen for you real quick. It's up $76. Playing three macros. I'm gonna set a take profit right here at 68.24.
Yeah, I want a new high today on the Qs.
Premiums for market puts just got positive for the day. That is a bearish sign.
And them bears couldn't do it earlier, so yeah, I need the bulls to really do their big one right now.
It's coming. Got a baby blue. That's an actual buy here. SPX SPY still stuck on the 10-minute.
It's early. I don't like how bullish it is before the end of this 15-minute candle. So I think they're going to play a little bit. But we'll see. I could be wrong. I'd love to be wrong.
It's like with the reversal going up now.
That's good. It's crazy how I called it 421 before the on Monday for this week. I said it was going to happen Tuesday night or Wednesday morning, and lo and behold, that's what happened.
No,
And
you gotta-
they say
you gotta
cute,
time it.
cute,
That be tripping me out when you do that. Why is people doing it?
Bro, I'm just looking left, to be honest, and I look at the ready market structure. Google is trying its best to stay over pre-market low. I think we could possibly get a push up here. That sell volume is thick, though.
Hey, Rod, you swinging anything on the Mag 7?
Man, I'm just swinging J&J calls to the 12th.
Yeah.
And then I got some puts on JP Morgan for January, but I'm getting smoked on those. I was thinking that that news between Trump and Jamie Dimon or whatever was going to cause it to pull back. But the more they talk about rate cuts, the
JP
more
going crazy.
the more bullish it's going to get.
Too. I'm at weeklies for JP, and that wasn't a good
dang.
idea.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, I got smoked on him.
But we are pushing back up here on the fear and greed index.
Anybody check out CleanSpark yet today?
Nah, I ain't looked at it yet.
CleanSpark.
Doing well. Doing well.
What's Bitcoin?
My swings for March are up 20%, and they were down 30 2 days ago. So
Yeah, JP Morgan is running.
Yeah, he really took off.
I'm gonna have to practice.
Calls instead of puts, but hey, here we are.
I might practice risk, man. I only bought one put.
Yeah, I went like.
So I might just wait for the rejection. I think it's gonna reject at 309, average down, and I'll just slide my way out with some gains.
Yeah, I think this day trade is gonna pay for all my L's on JP Morgan. So we'll see.
Y'all in puts?
Yeah, unfortunately, I bet against Jamie Dimon and pay the price.
Yeah, that's
Listen,
annoying.
that last name is like the hand at the table. So
I'll be careful at the high day again, y'all, because the NVIDIA, the level we were at when we rejected from NVIDIA's earnings was about 614 on the Qs. That was the top of it. We didn't hit that yet, so we could do another pullback, retest this level we're about to break, and then really take off. So
yeah, but the sellers are very weak on NVIDIA, bro. Just taking a look at the data, we got about I think it's weak on both sides. 654,000 buyers, 670 sellers. So the chop is very, very real on NVIDIA. But I don't think that that's what's driving the Qs right now. I think that, Apple coming down. Google's trying to bounce back up. That's helping. Broadcom is still pushing. Meta's trying to push. Microsoft is still pushing. Amazon just flipped red.
hey, Jackie, you in any swings, bro? You on here still? What are your March contracts looking like? I know you got some Marches.
And March leaps. I got some. Well, I'm in a GLD 400 call out to January. I got $800 calls for SPY out to June 2026. I grabbed the ONDS leap for earnings that I've been. That's out until January 2027. I have my Osprey leap still. I got a Rivian leap out to January 2027. A $30 call. Then I have I got an NVIDIA 250 call. I've been in that one for a while. I got SPY 750 calls out to March. Amazon $300 calls out to March. I'm actually down on those. And then I grabbed actually BRKB again but it's actually I think Monday because I saw that it turned around and bounced. So I hopped back into 550 call, trying to go back for it, rinse and repeat. And I grabbed. I'm still in the 730 SPY calls built out to January. So that's about it, honestly.
That's it. You cooking, bro.
Mhm.
I might happen to Burke B's with you. That last time we went in Burke B, bro, you cooked.
Yeah,
Bro, that shit, oh man, that was crazy.
Yeah, man. That was one of the ones right there.
Like I didn't know all that in 1 week. I was just like, oh man, all right.
Man, no.
Appreciate it.
So you know Bitcoin plays?
Honestly, right now, nah, I mean, I was probably look at it this week, probably Sunday, but because of just how everything been, I just been kind of, just patient, bro. I want to make sure I see confirmation, see that we're actually recovering. But also too, I mean, if I do Bitcoin, I really like to do it very long term. I already got my high bit shares, so for me, I'm pretty cool on that, and I got my crypto. So as long as I got that, I don't really trip out too much about missing out on anything, because I definitely expect a pullback. I expect a bigger correction in January to April, like it's pretty much the same what we got this year. I'm expecting to get the same thing between January and April. I expect another huge drop, another 20% correction. So
We still got time to get in there.
yeah. That's all. Like, man, like this bounce first, like the market, I expect this to run up to the end of the year, maybe a little bit after January, and then February, March, bro. I'm expecting a crash.
and then a run up again in April, just like 2025. So
Make sure to pour one out for me, James.
regarding Bitcoin, in my opinion, man, this is like the perfect entry opportunity for MSTY shares, especially for those that can't day trade and just want some type of exposure to crypto, exposure to the market. Get you some MSTY, collect them dividends, sit back and let the market make money for you doing nothing.
Yeah, I just started pre-buying MSTY
Yeah, I did as well.
literally today.
Oh, today? Dang. SPX just came back down to that 6,800. I'm going to take profits on my MBS.
And I'm waiting for this candle close right here to see, are we gonna break this level or are we playing?
No, we just chopping, bro. As long as VIX stays below that 1768, which is not. Yeah, we chopping.
The third time, next touched that 6,800.
Almost.
Yeah.
613.21.
We broke it briefly at opening. I mean, it's definitely in an uptrend. I think SPX is going to go to about 68.18, maybe 68.17.10 to 68.18.51. Remember last time I said this, it didn't happen to the end of the market, so put time on the play.
Trying to chop you a lot, but looking at my break-even cost. Yeah, my break-even on these is like 613.50. So
I think you're gonna get 613.50. You said 613.50?
Yeah, that's my break-even.
Bro, I think you're gonna get that. That was the resistance point from today.
Mm-hmm. That's crazy, right? It's crazy how they do that with them contract prices, but yeah, I think it's gonna go to 615. So even if I just diamond handed these until it hit my target, I think we're going to 615 at some point.
Yeah. I mean, right now it's still giving long positions. It's got the RSI of 57. So I think you got a little bit of cushion here, but just VIX is the chop. So we had
Hey, Mark.
No,
go ahead. No, my bad. Go ahead.
I was about to say we got another chop zone right now on VIX. Just looking at it right here. So VIX needs to drop below 1764. Oh crap. 1764. Anywhere below that, then we run up on the rest of the market. But now it's just consolidating. It's got multiple sell signals, but until it gets to 1749, I mean, you better get what you can get and keep it moving.
that was MSTY you were saying?
Yeah, MSTY Misty. I wouldn't play options on it, not financial advice. But
Yeah, I learned my lesson on that the hard way.
yeah, me too.
The way they paying out them dividends, our share prices and stable.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my drawback on that, if I count what I got, especially when they were paying a really good dividend, right now it's trash. I'm about halfway down in my losses.
Mm-hmm.
It cut about half my losses out, but nothing like paying taxes on getting your own money back.
Feel that? It's like as long as that stock don't go nowhere, I mean, the long term horizon's good since they're paying weeklies.
SPY's back to the bottom of that gap right now.
They play too much. Okay, I get it.
It's respecting that trend line, man.
It is. Until we make a lower low at the bottom of the trend line, I'm not scared.
Yeah, it's got higher lows present all the way to the 78. Let me see. Yeah, 78 minute higher low, blue candles. I mean, I know it's gonna run. It just needs the volume to match it. But I think right now they're trying to shake retail traders out because it's the holidays, and well, it's inevitable that the run is gonna happen. They just don't want us to be part of it.
They're trying to sneak it in there real quick and then pull it back.
Exactly.
Probably gonna just set a limit order.
I think that gap gonna get filled though, bro. Burn that theta and keep it pushing.
I'm just do a 100% on these contracts and set a limit order. They're going to have to talk me out of that. They're trying.
Yellow stock guy said that Vic's going to Valhalla.
Gosh, bro, Yellow's not too wrong about that most of the time. So I don't like that.
I know, right?
That's cool. I went light on these, so if I got to pivot, we could go, into the downside. Shoot, I can make my money there too.
He said SPY is going to Valhalla.
VIX. I think he misspelled SPY, but
Exactly.
No, we're gonna get a little pop and a drop.
Yeah, he might be right. Once we hit that that place where NVIDIA rejected before from the earnings, might bleed like crazy.
I mean, but look, if we keep creating these gaps, man, I mean, like what we had, was it 2 weeks ago or a week ago where we had 2 consecutive days back to back where we gapped up on SPX?
Mm-hmm.
I need that again.
Man, what you said? But it's a small gap.
That's quiet. Where's Troy?
Troy? You said, where's Troy?
What's up? I'm right here.
You concentrated on that SP.
No, I just chilled out. I'm gonna let it run. I got a 6810 left. I'm gonna just wait that one out. I'm gonna go with it as it go down. But I'm taking profit at 6810. I think it's gonna touch it again, even if it takes a noon. I'm in and out.
Good idea.
I'm looking at SPX right now. It fills a gap at $6,844.29. Looking at the daily, I don't think we're gonna get anywhere close to that today. I'm just looking for a break of $6,817.10. But there's a big if with VIX and, of course, the overall market itself. Google trying to bounce back up, man. Apple, Meta, Amazon needs to come back and party. They may be cooling off. You might not see a move till like later this evening. Tesla just gave another sell signal. Let's look at Tesla real quick. 417.95.
More. Baby.
That's also super consolidated. 417.46. If we lose that, Tesla's going to go to 415.24.
Yeah, Bulls is not playing about this trend line.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. The consolidation is real. Hey, didn't I say something yesterday about a gap up in the morning?
Get hit. Don't get hurt.
Didn't I say
Think.
that?
Think don't get hurt.
Got a hot mic. Super high risk. Okay, what is, oh, that's today. A big gap up tomorrow would be lovely. That's what I said yesterday at 3:12 Central. So that was right after the market closed.
What's up, Dan?
Hey, good morning, son.
What happened at that point?
I'm live on.
You were thinking?
It's okay. Can you give me some more coffee?
Yeah, of course.
Y'all say hello to my son.
Hello, Rogers Jr.
Hello.
What were you seeing that made you think we were going to gap up? Just
Man, I was looking at SPY. I'm gonna be honest with you. I was just mapping out SPY and SPX, and then I looked at VIX. VIX, I mean, and of course, I was watching the Fear and Greed Index. We were at like 6 or 7 earlier, last week? Then we pushed up to 12 to 14. Then this morning, 16 to 18. I wish I could like have alerts set on this thing, but I think we're coming out of that fear zone just a little bit, maybe.
Definitely leaning bullish on the short term.
Yeah.
It's all about this level today. We don't break that area before the drop after NVIDIA earnings, and
I mean, straight up,
just go back there.
even looking at futures, bro, like it's only like 19,000 traded on MES right now. And it's consolidated between 68.12 and 68.17. Thank you. So the chop is just wild, man. Super wild. VIX is still in that same consolidation zone. But when it runs, I bet it's, well, number one, it always happens as soon as we get off of the Zoom or the live traded session. But when it runs, it's going to be beautiful for your brokerages if you're in calls. J&J moving so slow, man. Where's Eli Lilly right now? Huh?
Coin looks like it wants to run, but Bitcoin is still, I don't get it.
Coin was cooking earlier.
It's still cooking.
Eli Lilly has a lower low. That is very bearish. But it could just be straight up liquidity until Eli Lilly loses $1,097.81. I think it's still mostly bullish. Let's look at the daily. Got a blue candle on the daily. I think it's going to come for the 11.1192 again. RSI is very overbought. It just needs to kind of chill a little bit, cool off, and possibly continue to run into next week. Maybe not. Eli Lilly's very overbought. Very, very overbought. I have an Anchor VWAP on there.
What's your anchor based on?
It's October 13th. I said it, I think, on November 13th. I try to, when I do them, I like to do them like 30 days retro. It's like if I go do one on SPY right now, let me just I go to the daily, turn off my indicators. I just hide them real quick. And so I come over to Anchor VWAP. So right now it's the 25th. So I'll try to come over here till, let's say, go October the 24th. I drop my anchor there. And right now we're definitely holding above VWAP on SPY. The top of VWAP is right there at 681.72, which is right before the gap fill. That's crazy. That's no indicators. And of course, if I wasn't trading ready market structure, I'd be using those hollow candles. You got a hollow on the 10-minute. What about the 78? 78 is hollow. I think we're going to push, man.
And Mark, real quick, look at the 2 minutes, right?
With or without indicators.
Is that a double top reversal?
Looks like one is forming, yeah. Till this candle closes. 679.09 is a key area. We're about to break it though. Yeah, we running, baby.
3 minutes.
We running. We running.
I didn't go heavy enough. I'll take it though.
I need that gap fill, man. VIX is falling out of that consolidation zone that I drew out for you. Look at that.
I'm at 40% on my calls.
Look at that. We're dropping again. Come on down to 1749.
Somebody might get a Christmas gift for real, for real.
Right. What you said?
I'm lying.
I'm not. No, I'm just playing. I just need a nice birthday gift from the market. That'd be nice.
When your birthday today, right?
Birthday's actually on Friday, but we're not live trading Friday.
Happy early birthday.
Thank you, man. Appreciate that.
Yeah, Mark, happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
What you mean?
Do you drink, Mark?
Not often, but on occasion. I got a full bar downstairs.
What are we doing? Are we doing a birthday workout? Push-ups for every age?
Man, ain't number 40 push-ups. I can knock that out.
All right, do 40 sets.
And I right now.
Happy birthday, Fred. Happy birthday, Fred.
Appreciate you. Appreciate you.
But what do you like, Mark?
Well, I like books. I like trading, anything like that. I like fishing, playing golf, and I like to eat and cook.
Get them some MSCY shares.
All expensive hobbies.
I like Solana.
Okay.
Yeah, I like Solana. So that's probably my favorite cryptocurrency. So if you want to cash at me, that's fine. I'll buy it.
Excited anytime
Here we go, SP.
Bro,
Have you been using your phone?
Not in like the past 2 weeks. It's sitting right here. I think it's dead, bro. I ain't even charged it. But I got all my crypto on it. Well, all my Solana and my Bunk. I think I put a little bit of Bunk in there on my uphold, but I love Solana. SPY calls are back up 12% right here, y'all.
So I've got a partner who is trying to create a tokenization of the cannabis world, where he wants to tie a particular token all the way from seed to the store, and basically create an internal crypto tied back into that world. Kind of interesting concept.
Oh, cool.
All right,
So
so
basically, he's creating a chain of custody for it.
Thanksgiving. Yeah.
Yo, those calls are up 22%, fam. That is wild. Who averaged down?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I wish I added to it when I said it was.
I closed them, but I re-entered on SPX. It's now 50% up.
Yeah, I'm at 65% from the ones I called out on the line.
There we go.
I got 2 contracts, so
We need to break this order block.
Let's go, baby.
Winning SPX, so I'm up 83%.
Let's go.
love it.
Bro, I'm telling you, I just need 680.44. And then where'd my VWAP go? I did it on SPX, didn't I?
Got my limit order in. So
SPY.
it's gonna automatically take profit at 100%.
Oh, it is on SPY.
Tell you, this indicator you created, the updates are amazing.
Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
It took every fear about staying in the calls yesterday. I had 5 SPX calls, 10 DTEs that I started in the morning, ran them all day, walked away with a 17 burger.
Yeah, that's a lovely.
Wow, that's awesome, man. To God be the glory. Because if it weren't for His wisdom, that would have not been created.
So thank you.
Yeah,
I've been telling everybody about this thing.
well, please do. Please do, man. I mean, all they got to do is slide over to Rogers1906.com. Free indicators there. Link to join the Ready is there. Tell them to use discount code 10 off. And since you're telling people about it, man, you know we got an affiliate program. Yeah.
I got to sign up for it.
Because, you know, you can get paid for that.
I'll send you my link. You give it.
Yeah, just fill out the application. It takes us about 5 days to create those accounts for you. I mean, then you'll get a message from the business line. So and then you'll get an email as well. But definitely sign up for that because, I mean, we believe in putting money back into people's pockets. Period. That's why our membership fee is what it is. Cheap.
Hey, Mark.
Yo.
How you been? I just wanted to come up here and say happy birthday.
Thank you.
I'm on a work call, but I'm gonna come over and say hi.
I appreciate it, fam. I've been sick. Honestly. Monday I pushed myself. I woke up really early. God had given me a word. So that kind of helped me push a little bit, get my confidence back and be in front of the camera. And then of course yesterday I was up all night because my dog ate chocolate. So well, the day before yesterday, but today I'm back. I got some really good rest last night. So
sound better.
Yeah, I'm ready to cook, man. Cool. We got a higher low right here on SPY. I think we're gonna keep pushing. Oh, SPX.
Definitely going to 615, no question.
On Qs?
Yeah, in my mind, I'm pretty sure about it.
Okay, bro. I'm gonna look at it for you real quick too, because I want you to be right.
Yes, sir.
I can see that 614.78. I can see that happening. You need the volume. The volume needs to come through for you, Donovan.
Yeah, right here, right above that wick.
I think you're gonna get it, man. You got about 899,912 volume coming in on the Qs right now. Baby blue candle, ready market structure. So that's a buy signal. We need royal blue for the strong buy, and you're gonna run, bro.
We're getting royal blue on SPY right now in the 2 minute.
Talk that talk, Garrett. VIX is coming down. I want a 1749 VIX.
Push a little bit more. I need 19%, and we are out of here.
If you're in IWM calls, I think you should be printing right now. I know Jeffrey, he likes to play those. Where is Tex?
Yeah, it is spring right now. I'm in IW.
Let's go.
Got him.
Is that one? Is that Wonder Woman?
Yeah,
What's up with you, sis?
much.
We up.
Enjoying the live.
I'm glad to hear your voice. We're up 32% on those spy calls. If you need to scout.
One thing I peeped today, the premiums weren't that bad today.
No, they weren't.
A lot of times they be charging $250, $300 for the same jumps in the morning.
Bro, but
recent.
Y'all see the SPY touch 680? We called it before the market opened today.
Mm.
We're overbought, so take some profits off the table right here. I should be doing it, but I'm not.
Why not? Take some.
87%. I just
My
need
TP,
13.
my first TP to scalp is 680.44.
Okay, 680.40.
Yeah.
What does MTF trend mean on your
Multi-time frame trend?
Oh, wait, never mind. It's covering up my TB3. No, I think what's happening.
Yeah.
It's the
And you could change those. Yeah, multi-time frame trend. You could change the size. You could also change the time frame.
Not my big monitors, so it's not stretched out as much. So
Yeah.
MTF trend sitting right on top of TB3. I'm like, okay, what's
Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna actually adjust mine right now. I'm gonna do a 6 minute, a 10 minute, and a 78.
9%.
Actually, I'll do 10. Let's do 10 minute, 78 minute, and then 10 minute, 30 minute, and 78 minute.
Push.
Mark, when you get a chance, could you just look at Tesla and tell me it's just what it's doing?
All right. So right now, Tesla's still bearish. It's consolidated. It kind of appears to be in a small bear flag, but you need Tesla to get back above the pre-market low right there at that 420.64.
All right, thank you.
Y'all give me just a second.
I'm gonna send you a DM after
Okay.
the session.
Okay, cool. Alerts were going crazy.
How does that 6-minute work for you for SPY?
It's amazing. All the even time frames are amazing. Shout out to Ian Dunlap for that. I did go ahead and stop loss on those JP Morgan puts. I didn't post a screenshot yet. Thank you for the love. Appreciate that. Again, for those of y'all on social media, slide on over to www.rogers1906.com. We trade the same vibe every single day, but we won't be doing it this Friday because it's my birthday. Also, you can get the free Ready Market Structure Pro indicator, which you're seeing here on the screen right now. And as you can see, it is printing profits. We're at 42%. Let's go, baby. Proud of y'all.
I'm up 113.
Woo!
Okay. All right.
Let's go. Hey,
I'm just mad I saw 2 of them.
post the update. I want to see that. I want to see that in the chat.
I bought a 683 1DTE at the bottom. I'm up 90%.
Look at Armando. Cooking. I see you, Rob.
You went into Zoom chat?
No, put it on Discord. I barely look at the chat on Zoom. I see y'all talking over there. I see Minty, Jefe, Akeem. What's up, man? Alicia. She averaged down. She's up 55% on SPX, 65%. 2 runners left. Oh, let's go.
Yeah, I think when I got at 50, I sold 3. I got 3 left.
Yo, VIX is at a rejection support box right now. I got red candles on the 2-minute. I need VIX below.
Thank you.
Let's see. VIX goes below $17. I'm gonna pass out. Yo, SPX is cooking. Minty.
There you go.
Got a neutral
I
candle.
took my money. I'm out.
Okay, I was about to say.
Yeah. I'm really about to take gains because I don't like how it just won't make that last little push.
Yeah,
Meta is running that suspicion SPY as well.
bro, you're gonna get that 614.73 on Qs.
That's what I'm saying. I know I am. I don't want later to eat my
True.
last little percent before.
True.
It takes me to that undo.
Sis said Meta was running. I've been waiting for Meta to break 638.40 and reject at 639.94.
It rejected at 638.20.
It's close, 638.29. But I got multiple buys though, fam.
Yeah,
Google's trying to.
Oh, here we go.
We got momentum, y'all.
Got it. It was $15. I'm about to take that.
Broadcom's still running. Yo, hey,
Stopped one off that.
For real though. Next week, you got CrowdStrike on deck. I think this is prime opportunity to play the implied volatility.
All right, 100%, y'all. I'm out.
Good money, bro. Post those gains. I want to see them. Put them in the gains channel. I want to see them, bro.
Gotcha.
Good trade, Don. Good trade, bro.
Appreciate that, y'all.
I see you over there. Y'all posting as I'm talking. I see you, Garrett. I see you, Camila. Let's go.
I put my stock market chat.
You said you put it in the stock market chat?
Yeah, I put it as an update.
I got you, man. Let's go ahead and show the good people what we doing.
Oh my. Man, you cooked that bad boy. You cooked that.
We doing gains.
Marcus cooking.
It's right there. Why do you sell?
I'm also looking at a CAT, CAT, for a potential breakout. I'm starting to break out already. I'm looking forward to go to 600 in the next couple weeks.
Y'all heard that right?
Yep.
Yeah, mark his words, because when they get there,
I'm just
don't be
saying.
surprised.
That's what I'm
Is that
saying.
Jack?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
Jack.
yeah, it was.
You said what's that target again, Jack?
600.
But safe targets I'll have, just in case it slows down beforehand. There's resistance at around 5 to 86.74. But yeah, 600 is my target. But I also have another target, 630, because this is a bullish pennant. It's a bullish pennant on, I believe it's the daily, weekly. So that looks really good. We started breaking out a little bit yesterday.
Yeah.
5.6, 5.70 was my entry. So you still have time to enter if you are looking to take this play.
Okay. I think I'm gonna slide with you, bro.
That 600 call after the fifth is the only one with any open interest and volume.
So
Sorry, what's the play?
Cat.
I'm to the 12, actually. I paid a little bit more for the premium, but I definitely can see the one by the fifth definitely moving. I want to have the interest. But I was also just trying to give myself a little bit more time. I'm just, this market hasn't really swung anything lately. So this being a swing, I want to give it at least an extra week.
Yeah.
But yeah, I definitely see it by the fifth. So
Man, I don't.
So what is it?
CAT, CAT, $600 call, December 12th.
I don't like the OI at all, man.
And I don't know, was terrible. Like I said, one of the fifth is better. But I guess I paid a little bit higher of a premium for this one. I just wanted more time.
What's Caterpillar's all time?
I play those all the time, even though the eye is terrible. I just kind of go based off what I feels comfortable with. Like I said, the fifth looks good. January 2026 looks good as well. If you want to be a little bit more. December 19th. There's a little bit more expensive. Yeah, December 19th is actually a really good one. It's just $7.55. But December 5th looks really good too. That's like next week, and this week being a holiday, I don't explain anything.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just watch list it for now. I need to see a increase in IV. Do you know something? You know something we don't know?
Honestly, I just not the technical. I haven't really looked at the news yet. Just more so off the technicals. I saw it today, but I definitely will look into it a little bit more and see if I can find anything else. But right now, this technicals itself looks good. I mean, any type of like bullish bull flag, bullish pin, that's usually right. It's my go-to.
Oh yeah.
So even when something's hitting like uncharted territory, because like that would be that would go over the 52-week high. So like the technicals. So you're not basically basing it on previous charts. You're just looking at like the momentum.
Yeah, look at momentum. TA also has been up all year long, and I expect it to keep pushing out. I don't really see a reason for it to slow down anytime soon.
Right.
Oh my God, Tesla.
I can't believe you all sold.
Who sold?
So like I said, they took profit on spot.
I'm trimming 40 right now. Dude, what?
I'm the idiot who sold.
It's nice. How is it to take profit?
I mean, I'm mad.
Never go broke taking profit.
I feel like everything already.
Yeah, I call it 6:15, and where we go, 6:15.
Mark, are you still using the 78-minute a lot?
Oh yeah, every day. Never fails, Matt. Never fails. Yeah. 78-minute is clutch. We got a weak sale right now on SPY 78-minute time frame. But I love that 78-minute. But yo, quick update on the play.
6:15 puts YOLO.
Y'all see what it said, right?
What did it say? I missed this. That dog part.
Scalp 40 out of 44 for gains. We got in these an average cost of what? 16 cents after averaging down. Close for 35. It's not bad if I say so myself. I got 4 runners They're up 131%.
Yellow has something going on. I'm thinking about grabbing some 615 puts, but I don't see no reason to right now.
Wow. Absolutely amazing, family.
I'm still in this one XPX play only because I had 3 calls earlier. When it ran up earlier, I sold 2 of the 3. That's the only reason I'm still in this one. So this one's just a runner. It's basically a test money.
You know what's wild? That J&J play is coming back from yesterday. And Eli Lilly is trying to trail. I still want that thing at 207.62.
Oh, so I just got. Did you guys know that CAT was being viewed as more than just a heavy equipment? They're looking at it as a data center and AI infrastructure as well, potentially.
Oh,
what? Yeah. So lately, investors have been underwriting CAT as a beneficiary of demand for power generation equipment for data centers and AI infrastructure. So not just like construction or mining. So
that changes the game.
That changes the game for sure.
That changes the game. So yeah, maybe I shouldn't watch listed.
What's your expiration on those, bro?
So right now, mine are actually December 12th, but I'm about to look at some leaks on.
Yeah, that's what I'm at. I'm on that right now.
A couple years to build these data centers, and CAT ain't going nowhere.
You know what I mean,
bro?
Yeah, they didn't even. Go ahead.
So that news actually came out a couple days ago.
Oh, 600. That's not okay. 600 ain't bad, but that's right there. Shoot, I'm thinking put some time on it. We could look at 650s.
That's
what Charles Schwab said. 990.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I'm actually looking at the March 20th right now. For
even if you go as far out, strike wise and date wise, you can go to 890 for January 21st, 2028.
Yeah, I'm looking at the March 20th, 2026. And honestly, open interest sucks on all of these. So does the volume. It's not trustworthy. Seasonality is bullish April, February, July, September, and November for CAT. And Fridays are usually the best days. A little bit of insider buying is taking place as of November 13th, with the overwhelming majority being sales.
What's going on in there?
Let me check options on CAT. I'm gonna grab a leap. I just gotta find the one. I grabbed
680s.
The 680s for when?
February 20th.
See that March 2026 expiration date had 1.25 million in premiums as of today.
I was looking at the 600s. The 600s have the best OI on Webull anyway.
Yeah, the 600 March 20th has an OI of 1182 right now. That's really good compared to any of the other ones I've looked at. The 620s only 411, but it has really good volume. And that's for December the 19th. But yeah, there's not a lot of volume coming in on. I'm shocked. I am very shocked. Let me check one other place. Where is that?
Not that popular of a ticker. You know, like a lot of people think CAT is like a safety play for real.
That's valid. What's the float on it? Do you know? Does anybody know the float or the short percentage shares outstanding on it? It's got a 29 PE. That's good. 6.5. Tesla's still selling off, dude.
We go to 400.
They're saying the expected range for CAT is between from 558.25 at the low up to 576.95 right now. But I'm trying to find a sweet spot leap on this thing. Let's see if I can find the options chain.
No, it could just be retesting this zone. I'm just looking for a reason to hop in puts, but I don't see it.
Yeah.
We just caught another buy on the 78 on SPY.
Yeah, I'm still in. I still got 4 contracts. They're up 100%. VIX is consolidating again. Tesla's dropping. But I like this heat map. This is the daily. Look at the hourly giving. It's flat. It's lunchtime. What you expect?
Yeah. Hey, Mark, can you check out AMD?
Yeah, I got you. Give me just a second. I'm trying to find something real quick. I probably could circle back. Let's just look at it.
That's crazy. Is Weeble's AI listening to conversations now? Because I didn't even look at CAT. I swear it just popped up on my search.
All right, so AMD has a higher low right now. Very neutral candle. It's rejecting this trend line here already. Market structure right around 214.34. It's acting as a key level of resistance. So you might get a little pullback for a short term. We get over that 214.34. It's going to keep pushing. It looks like that is a key level of resistance right now. Possible double bottom here on AMD. If we can break that 214.22, I'm thinking 217.11, possibly up to 227.13 or 231 by next Tuesday or Wednesday on AMD. I do like the swings. This is a double bottom with a breakout. Once it hits that 217.11, it's going to be on the 4 hour at the 400. 4 hour 200 EMA, and you might have a golden cross on the 10 and 20 at that point for AMD.
That's low on the Qs is 617.70 something.
According to what I'm seeing, AMD might break out again before next Tuesday, likely on Friday, but it's a shortened trading day, so I wouldn't want to be too locked in on that. I got multiple buy signals though. On the daily, this is a point of entry on AMD for swings.
How far out you thinking?
I'd at least go January, February on this one.
Oh man, the hourly on the Qs looks so good.
Yeah. And you saw the Qs hit the level right to the money that I told you where it was going. 614.73, and then it broke to yours 615. That was beautiful, Donovan. Are you still here?
Yeah, I got that. Got that level up to 2 hours.
I'm checking. I'm about to throw a VWAP on real quick on it.
Back in?
On what, the Qs?
Qs, yeah.
Come on and get another call.
I'm not in. So yo, I know I'm not tripping. So no indicators right now. I'm on the daily for a QQQ, and I'm sliding on hollow candles. I anchor VWAP on October the 24th. We are literally above VWAP, just breaking with 4 hollow candles, which is a bullish sign. 617 to about 620.98 looks really possible on Qs, even up to about 625.79 going into next week.
Yeah, if we close above 614.70 above Rogers level right there, then it's good for swings.
I'm looking at some lottos on this thing. I say 625.79, 447, 14, 13,
6
moving.
625.79. I'm calling this live on social media. That's crazy. I would normally never do this. So don't get used to it.
Right more often than not.
Huh?
I said you right more often than not.
This
Why
is
not?
true. Well, because I'd rather do it for you guys in the red E. But
you gotta show
know,
off every once in a while.
you're right. You're right. Hold me accountable, man.
Yeah, it's gonna bring more people. I'm like, oh, that's what we get.
Man, that gap is gonna fill on SPY today. I don't know if I really want to enter anything else.
Just missed that. Mark, what was the end of the gap?
682.02.
Thank you.
No problem.
I feel like AVGO could literally go to 400 today.
This is like the 6th time you said, and I haven't pulled it up again. So let's just look at it. It's at 395.01. RSI is at 66. You said 400?
I think so. Cause AVGO surges. It
Yeah.
might not stay there, but I think it can get there.
So look left on the 78, right? That 395 area. That's a key. Yeah, that's a key resistance level. If it breaks that though, you might get your wish. I'm gonna set an alert for you.
395.50.
Yep. Well, I got 395.59, and it's staying in the trend. So the volume is just what's concerned. I got multiple buy signals though. You got 3.22 million in volume right now on the buy side.
Yeah.
You might get that. You might be right.
Dang near point up. Truth just got a buy signal.
You might be right on that 400. And then you got markup on the 4-hour too. Yeah, bro. That thing look like it's smoking. For sure, for sure.
Goldman Sachs that raised their price target to 435.
Who did?
Goldman Sachs.
Oh wow. When did that happen?
I think today, because it was on that little purple lightning bolt.
Oh, there it is. 435 a share. Dude, what?
And Broadcom passed Meta in market cap. Which is crazy in and of itself.
Wow.
It's at 1.87 trillion. Oh, snap. I closed Tesla.
Mark, did you post something for QQQ?
You said, can I?
No, did you make a post for
No, I didn't. I was just TAing it for everybody. Because Donovan was in the play. I just played SPY.
Thank you.
No problem. Meta is at 1.61 trillion and Broadcom is at 1.87. Dang. My SPY runners are up 168% right here, y'all.
140 on mine, and I'm just waiting for 681.55, and I'll take it there.
My runner is 105, but I had a 1 DPTE.
Dang.
Yeah, I'm on 1 DTE as well.
Dang.
Very nice. Yeah, the Q's target is 617.77 for me, but I think I want to I want to see if we can pull back to 613.90, and I'll hop in and I'll ride it up there with y'all.
You said a pullback.
Yeah, I don't know if it'll happen, but if it does,
I mean, it just hit the 70 RSI on the 10-minute, but you got multiple buy signals. I think you about to slide up to 615.84 on the Qs, bro.
Easily. Man, I already took gains. I'm not interested in buying it right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm not interested in buying anything at these price points. I'm trying to get out of stuff. Get out.
Let's look at Hood. Let's look at Robin Hood real quick. Let's see what they got going on.
Ticker Robin Hood.
Ticker Robin Hood, man. Let's see what she is.
I love Robin Hood, bro.
Oh yeah, look at the daily on her. She about to realize.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Jump. Look at that.
125.
Still in SPY.
Yeah,
I'm still up 243%. 225.
Me too, Mitzi. Still up though.
That's crazy. We took these things from 16 cents to 53 cents. And they might go to 90.
I want 200.
That Garrett has some 200%.
That's their ready market structure for you. For the free. You buying a 150 on Hood?
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now.
I like the daily. It's got 21.65 million buys on volume.
Look at the January 16th contract for 150. Look real good.
Check it now.
At January 16th, I was in there. I have a January 16th.
Yo,
95.
That thing's beautiful for $4.40.
Yep. That's what I'm looking at.
It had a high of what? 24.15
on that same contract. Man,
everybody just turned green.
Yep.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like that just took off.
Where do we go next on spot?
To the moon.
We 682.02 for the gap fill. That's what I've been waiting on since this morning.
Mark, if we hit that gap fill, I'm buying puts as soon as we hit it.
Bro, it might keep pushing. VIX, have you seen VIX lately? Let me just put it on the screen. It's the 10-minute VIX right now. Red candles, mostly bearish. It's very oversold.
1710 next for VIX, Mark.
Bro, I had 1712. That's crazy.
Yeah, I have 1738. We are just breaking that one, and then 1710.
But Jack's indicator TP2 1669 on VIX. Jack, you there? Might be muted.
1669, sir.
That's crazy.
Hey, what's up? What's the price?
Hey, hold on, Jack. Give me 1 second, Jack. Did I hear your voice?
Yeah, I'm here.
Bro, VIX TP2 on the 78-minute, your indicator, $16.69, bro.
Ooh. Yeah, I was just looking at SPX in the sky. I think I'm pushing a bit higher. I think SPX possibly going at 68.50.
Bro. I have 6,844 and 29 cents as the level for SPX.
Wow.
Nice.
I'm speechless.
That's where I think it's going.
Wait, I missed it. What was it?
$6,844.25. And that's going to be a gap fill on SPX. And the gap fill on SPY is $682.01.
Yeah, one rudder would be like 400% at that point.
Yeah.
That's wild.
I will sit here all day for it.
I'm not. I'm about to go. I'm ready to get on that grill, man.
That's what I said.
Yeah, I made my money already. It's cool.
Happy birthday,
All right.
bro.
Thank you, man. So look, here's my play on Robinhood. I'm gonna buy the $200 call for March 20th, 2026.
It's a nice little lotto. How much is that?
$188.
That's nothing.
Yes.
Let me look at that for 200. Oh, okay, it's got a decent.
I'm signaling right now.
You got 4 months on that.
Not financial advice.
If they turn that money printer on, you'd be surprised.
I think that for Robinhood, the bottom was at. Hold on, let me go back to the chart. Hold on. The bottom was at 101. I mean 102.14 last Friday.
Yeah.
Check the weekly. Yeah. So yeah, last Friday, that's where it hit the bottom. Dang it, what's going on?
Yeah, you just had some news today.
And I think it's gonna go higher than $200 easy. Do you know why?
Why is that?
They expanded the predictive markets the other day.
Mm.
All right.
They did what's the market?
They expanded the predictive markets, the gambling, sports betting. Y'all, I'm taking my 231% on those 4 runners right here. I just got a sales signal on ready market structure. Oh, that's Tesla. Anyway, I'm taking my money. No, I think we still push a little bit.
Oh, we're gonna push a lot bit.
Yeah, we still got to go to 617.
What's up, Camila?
Hey, happy early birthday.
Thanks, sis. Appreciate you.
I'm in SPY. My calls don't expire until Monday, but I feel like there's a strong possibility that we could possibly hit 683 today. So I'm like, do I take profits now or?
So here's my thought. First of all, I agree with you. But I was looking at a gap fill at 682.01, and the top of the anchor VWAP 30 days back is 681.84. So we might kind of struggle in that area. That 683.44 looks really juicy though. But
I'm not gonna be greedy then. So
yeah, I mean it's overbought.
I know.
It's very overbought, but we could just be cooling off temporarily to keep pushing from here, because that gap is about to fill. It is definitely about to fill. But I just, as I say this to you, I personally just took 234% on my last play.
Which is smart.
Yeah, that was my last one. I mean, we paid 16 cents.
I wish I got in that. See, I ended up, I wasn't paying attention at first. So I heard the aftermath of it and I got in, but I didn't realize the price target. I think I did a 678 call. I did it in the money.
Yeah. You still print.
Monday.
You're still gonna print.
What's check the chat real quick.
Zoom chat or the wait, what? Oh, let me go back here. When the Jackie the money sniper post, I read. Oh man.
That's
oh man.
It's disgusting.
I told you, dude. 16 minute, 10 minute, and the 78 are like.
Yep.
It's right at
that's nasty.
This right at TP2 on your indicator, bro. That's crazy. That's sick.
And look at it. You see the bottom where it caught yesterday.
What?
That entry. Like, look at that. That was
this one right here.
Oh yeah, that one, yeah, right there. That buy signal.
That's crazy.
Like literally where the balance was, bro. That's insane.
That's crazy. But I told y'all yesterday I was looking for a gap today. That's beautiful, bro.
Yeah, he was on it. He was on it, bro.
I'm gonna have to red E that one. God, that's absolutely beautiful. SLV leaves for 2027. What is silver doing? Look at the VIX, man. This is wild. Let me set these alerts real quick on Robinhood. Because I honestly believe we're gonna get to 212 new all-time highs next earnings. It's the February 18th. I want 212. Let me just open alerts. Set an alert. 2112. Oh, what the heck? 212. There is a little small sales signal on the monthly for Robinhood. You know, this is heavily weighted Bitcoin too. So it may be a squeeze. And I was supposed to look at going all the way back. This is how my mind works. We were talking about Caterpillar, and I asked y'all, I said, what was the float and short percent of shares outstanding? Nobody answered me. Y'all making me do all the work.
Yeah.
It said 468.4 million, so it's a little bit low. Oh, wait. Sorry. Yeah. It's a little bit lower than what I would like on Caterpillar, but 74.1% held by institutions and only 1% of shares shorted. I think that run on Caterpillar is a lot more closer than we realize. Jack, just to confirm, since I think you called that out.
Yeah, you're gonna print on that. Not gonna go to 600, whatever you in right now, no matter what you in right now.
I'm probably confident to run. I think everything is at resistance. Or is NVIDIA?
I think everything is about to break through resistance.
Yeah. If you're on YouTube and you want me to look at a ticker, I'll take 2 questions. If you're on YouTube, I'll look at it for you. Just put it in the chat.
Did you say something to me?
No, I said it on YouTube. I'm still streaming live right now, man. And VIX is still dropping. SPY is still pushing. We still got red candles on VIX. Actually, this is yellow. This is a weak sell. I'm very satisfied with that 234%. Very satisfied.
That's a lot of green candles back to back on a 15-minute. Back to back.
What you looking at?
The Qs. Qs ain't got. Look, since this session opened, we had 1 red candle. The bull's been in control.
You talking about right there at 10 o'clock?
Mm-hmm. That's it. After that, it's nothing but green.
The sellers are very weak, but you got about 1.5 sales. Robert Brown on YouTube asked me, can I look at DNLY? DNLY. Let's see. We'll use Google's chart. DNLI. Sorry, I said Y. Denali Therapeutics. Okay, it's at $19.29. It's got a gap to fill at 1943. We might get that today on DNLI. You want to see this thing back above the pre-market high at 1469. I'm sorry, 1969. What is wrong with me? Above 1969, I think it could run. We're going to slide over to that 78-minute time frame. That might be the all-time high as well for this one. Got a blue candle on the daily. I actually like this one for a long-term hold. It's in the healthcare sector. Very small market cap, but it's in the billions. Analysts give this a price target of $32. Interesting ticker. They just reported on November the 6th. Financials don't look as good on this one as I would have expected it. So they're operating out of debt, but they have decreased their debt by just a little bit from what I can see. This may be a nice swing trade in the healthcare sector, but I just wouldn't expect a parabolic move to hit that analyst target of $32 out the gate. Look for a retest of 1969, maybe 21 bucks from there, but not a lot of volume coming on there. Can you look at calls for Uber? This is from Kareem. All right, Uber. I'm quiet because I'm seeing some things here on Uber. There is potentially a false breakout to the upside on Uber right here. I'm on the daily time frame, and just out the gate, I do not like this consolidation. Let me show you. This consolidation right here. If Uber can break above that 8609, then I think it could possibly push and test 88, 87. That would be my target price on Uber, but there is also a gap from 9506, which likely started from the last earnings report. We may be at the bottom here on Uber. Let me zoom out some more. I want to look at the weekly. Yeah, so it looks like we're really at the bottom here, and we need the buyers to step up. So all the uptrends are sporadic at the moment. Where the 50 EMA is acting as support. So I do like Uber swings, but I would go deep with time to at least February or March if I personally were playing that. That's not financial advice, but it has to break out of that 86.12 for it to go. Let me check the volume here. Go to the daily. So you got about 8.5 million in volume on Uber to the upside. So, I mean, I think it can run, but again, that 87 to 80, 88, 87 are going to be the levels to watch for to the upside. All right. Anybody here on Zoom got a question you want me to look at? I'm going to look at the chat.
Hey, Mark, I found XSP today.
SXP?
XSP. It's like E-mini short. It's like E-minis. It's SPX mini. I've been playing it, and it's been pretty wild.
Are you playing options on it? Go ahead.
Has played it before?
Go ahead, Jack.
No, I'm just saying I've heard about it. I've heard a couple people talk about it. A lot of people like playing it better than SPY if they don't want to play SPX. I've never traded it myself, but I've heard good things about it.
I checked it out on chat, and it has better tax rules than SPY does.
What did you play on it?
Let me go back. XSP 1126 680 $680 call.
Was it a zero?
Yeah.
That is chart. SSP is pretty smooth.
I'm actually looking at the
up 10%, man. It's pretty sick.
Premiums are not bad either. Did you get in at 29 cents?
Something like that, man. Yeah.
Jesus Christ. The thing ran at $3.05, bro. What?
Yeah, man. I'm still in.
Are you kidding me?
I stopped both of them.
Yo, that's crazy, man. Hold on a minute. What now? What have you heard about the taxes? You said
Let me go back to it. So I just checked it out on chat right now. I said, tell me all the things that are different than SPY and SPX. And so the tax ruling, let me get to it. So taxes, SPX and XSP index options, section 1256 contracts, 60% on long-term tax rate and 40% on short-term tax rate. Even if you have it for 30 seconds, massive tax advantage, mark to market each year, no wash sale rule.
it's not bad. It's not bad. Broadcom just broke the key level resistance. Sorry to be so sporadic.
I'm watching.
XSP. I'm actually gonna look for something on that now.
So you remember I keep talking about, you know, what you do for SPX on Charles Schwab, and I didn't like any of the options because it's low volume, low open interest.
Yeah.
And but this is pretty fire.
This thing's calling for 686.74 on XSP. Am I saying that right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But I'm checking to see if it's on the SoFi exchange. It's not. Which really does
The
suck.
volume and open interest are pretty high, are higher.
And that's what I like.
Yeah.
High volume, high open interest contracts.
Yeah. Yeah, so I mean it's been pretty good today.
Yeah, it's limited on certain exchanges, certain brokerages. I don't know why I said that. Exchanges. But I like what I'm seeing on this thing. The 52-week high is around $692.03. It's had a slight increase in volatility, which explains the premiums. The theta's on it. Theta on it for like 2 weeks out. Kind of wicked. So like you gotta catch it when you catch it. This might be really good for day trading in the future.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a sticky note on this one.
It was running a little different than SPY today though.
Oh, really?
But then when it catches fast.
It possibly was running with futures.
Yeah.
Because I'm looking at, for example, ES is sitting at about 6,844 right now. And then if we look at our converter, in fact, I have an indicator for that. Let's just turn it on. So yeah, it's definitely not doing it's about 2 cents higher than SPY right now.
Right. Right. So I think you're right. I think it runs with the futures market.
It's got to.
Yeah.
Mad dope, man.
Martin,
yeah.
On your MSTY, I took your advice. I bought some shares today. What do you do with your dividends? When you get them, are you reinvesting it or do you just take it as money or do you have a choice?
I reinvest all of my dividends, fam, till I sell it. Usually when I do dividend stocks, that's how I like to play them.
Yeah, I think my account is set to automatically reinvest. I was just wondering what you do. Are your dividends still okay? The money that they pay you? It's weekly, right?
Yeah, but just understand for tax purposes, it's counted for income. So
It's counted for income.
Yeah.
But you're still buying shares with it, so it's still income.
Yep. But the longer you reinvest those dividends, the better off you're going to be. Not financial advice.
Everyone have a great Thanksgiving, and Mark,
You
have
too.
a happy birthday, okay?
Thank you, sis. God bless. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
You too.
So on the MSTY, it follows. Does it follow MST? Like if MSTR goes up, it generally will go up.
So not necessarily. Just to look at it with you real quick. Let me show you something. Because I know you're really inquisitive on things, and I want you to know how to find it. So let's just open MSTY on TradingView, and then I'm going to end my live on social media after this. All right. So if you open the ticker or the ETF, you're going to come over here and click on the symbol itself, right?
Mark, you're not showing it.
Where?
Now you're showing it.
All right. So scroll down, and where it says top 10 holdings, click see all holdings. While this is a strategy related to MicroStrategy, it's more heavily weighted treasury bills than it actually is MicroStrategy. Now, when you go to the actual, like on Robinhood, it will show you specific contracts related to this ETF to determine, if it moves up. Sometimes they straddle it. They have like calls and puts. So you got to be very careful with options on it. But the shares itself, I think, are a lot better because, again, it's more heavily weighted government bills, treasury bills, and government bonds. So
That's interesting. And for you, it's a long-term thing. Like I just bought some shares.
it's just a little smooth, easy income strategy. I wouldn't say a long term, but it's definitely a swing trade.
Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks so much.
No problem. Also, too, with TradingView, if you hit ideas, you'll be able to get some opinions from other people, just like us, that have analyzed it. Sometimes they have voiceovers. Sometimes it's just video. So
interesting.
Yeah.
Thanks.
No problem. All right. So for those of you,
happy birthday. Happy birthday to you before I go.
Thank you. You said yours is what? Is what now?
The same day, 28.
Oh, let's go. Gang. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Man.
Happy birthday.
See you, man. Take care.
See you later. All right, guys. For those of
Thank
you,
you.
no problem. Those of you still here on social media, tap in with us in the Red E Society. You can click join the Red E where it says subscribe. Use discount code 10 off, and it'll automatically apply the discount. Get 7 days free membership. Come join our free mentorship program. We live trade daily. Also, because we like to bless the people, get your free Red E market structure indicator. Until next time, remember, as always, keep God first and secure the bag. See you in the Red E Society.
Okay. It's us.